UHY Manchester is part of the UHY Group, a leading firm of accountants across the whole of the UK. We have offices in virtually every business centre across the whole world. We are ideally placed to help you prosper, whether based in the UK or internationally.
We are based here in Manchester city centre, in an office that we are particularly proud of, and our expert teams offer a full range of services to our clients. Our services would include audit and accounts, as perhaps you'd expect in a firm like UHY. Beyond that, there is a comprehensive tax team that look after corporation tax, personal tax, specialise in areas such as VAT, R&D and capital allowances. We have a corporate finance team and a business advisory team, and so we're in a position where we can support our clients with any challenge that they may face. In terms of sectors, then some of our real strongholds are automotive, education, manufacturing and property. Couple that with our full suite of services and our team of experts, and we are able to support any client in any sector.
At UHY, we are built around a set of core values. With a strong focus on inclusivity and diversity, we help our clients, our team and our community prosper. I'm Zoe Duffy, Audit Partner and Head of Talent at UHY Manchester.
I'm Dave Kendrick, Chief Executive and Corporate Finance Partner at UHY Manchester.
I'm Ryan Weir, Audit Partner and Head of Audit here at UHY Manchester.
Do get in touch to understand how we can help you and your business prosper.